Hello student, today again I will explain another video of class 9. That is the first video of class 9 science biology portion, chapter number 13. The name of this chapter is Why Do We Fall Ill? Okay, this is the biology chapter. Okay, and before I start explaining this video, please take out your notebook, pen and pencil to copy down the important portion. In this video, okay, I will mainly mention about the health, okay, that is the good health. The main objectives of this video is, after watching this video, you can easily identify what is the health and what is the disease free, okay, and health and disease free are totally different, okay. After watching this video, you can easily explain, okay, what is the health and what is the disease free, and what are the things we need to do for maintaining our good health. Okay, without wasting the time, I will start today's video. Okay, first, introduction. In this introduction portion, okay, just listen carefully. Okay, we have seen that cells are the basic unit of organism. In biology chapter number 5, we already know that cells are the basic unit of the organisms. Okay, and we also know that cell is the structural and functional unit of the life. Okay, that is, all the living organisms are made up of the cells. All right, and this cells is the smallest unit of each and every living organism. Now, cells are made up of, okay, a variety of chemical substances such as protein, carbohydrate, fats or lipid, and so on. Okay, these cells are made up of varieties of the chemical substances. Some of them are protein, carbohydrate, fats or lipid, or fats or lipids, and lipids are same. Okay, fats or lipids and so on. There are so many minerals are also there for making the cell. Cell is a dynamic place. Okay, sometimes something or other is always happening inside them, and something or other is always happening inside them. Inside the cell, some process is always done. Okay, either repairing of the body parts, or either they are producing energy, or there's so many things are happening inside the cell. Complex reactions and repairs goes on inside cell. Complex reaction. In complex reaction, it means that in class 7 you already studied that uh, during respirations we have a lot of the chemical reactions are there. So, okay, for breaking down of the food materials and producing the energy. And for digestion also, we have lot of the chemical reaction for the breaking down of the food materials into the simple one. Okay, that is why there are so many complex reactions are done inside the cells, and so many things that repairs goes on inside the cell. You already learned in chapter number 5 that what our body, like ribosome, they prepare what proteins, right, and store inside the where inside the Golgi apparatus. These ribosomes prepare the protein, and these proteins have what, for the repairing of the our body part. That is why inside the cell so many reactions, so many complex reactions are done. Okay, now new cells are being made. That is due to this word cell divisions. Okay, After the cell division, what happened? The new cells are produced, new cells are made. In our organs or tissues, or this tissues means what? Tissue means the group of these cells, that is, they have performing the similar function. And what is the organ? Organ is nothing. The group of the tissue, they have performing the similar function that are considered to be known as the organs. Okay, that is, in our organs or the tissue, there are various what? There are various specialized activities going on inside the tissue, also inside the organ also. Lot of the activities, specialized activities are done, so it goes on. Okay, going on. That means the heart is beating, our heart beats. Okay, the continuously beating, right? Okay, the lungs are breathing. That is, we cannot this what we are not able to stop our lungs breathing, right? We are cannot this able to stop our heartbeat. Yes or no? Yes. The kidney is filtering urine, right? That is due to the presence of the our kidney, what our blood is filtered, and the waste material will be removed as a urine. That is, the filtration unit of our body is known as kidney. You already learn in class 7, right? Now, the brain is thinking, that all the thinking, all the voluntary action, all the thinking activities are done by our brain. That is that our brain is thinking. All these activities are interconnected. That is, all the activities like this what? Heartbeat, breathing, filtering this what? Blood, this thinking by the brains, these are all interconnected. For example, if the kidneys are not filtering the urine, what will happen? If our kidney does not filter the urine, then the poisonous substance will accumulate in our body. Then our body will be, this what accumulate means lot of the poisonous substance. Okay, will store a lot of the poisonous substance. Then under such conditions, then what happened? The brain will not able to think properly. At the time, what happened? Our thinking capacity of the brain will be lost. Okay, this brain are not able to think properly. For all these interconnected activities, energy and raw materials are needed. For all these interconnectivities, what activities such as heartbeat, breathings in the lungs, okay, filtering of the urine, okay, by our kidneys, thinking of our body by the brains. These are all interconnected, and these are all activities needs energy and the raw materials. Okay, and what is this raw materials? And this also you learn in the class 6. What? That is our food. The food, they supply the energy, they supply the raw material to perform all the activities of our body. Now, food is a necessity of the cell and tissue function. That's why the food is the one of the most important what? Substance for what? For doing all the activities by our body. Now, anything that prevents proper functioning of the cells and the tissue will lead to a lack of proper activities of the body. Anything, any substance, because of that, what happened? Uh, it can be this what prevent the proper function of the cell. That means it disrupt the function, the proper function of our cells and tissue. That means proper function of our body organs. Okay, then it will lead to what? Our body will be comes this what? Some disorder. Okay, it is in this context that we will look at notions of health and disease. That is why for in this chapter, okay, we will learn about this what? Disease and the health. Okay, and because of these activities, if anybody has disorder or malfunctions of the body part, then what will happen? Then he or he or she will suffer a different type of the disease. Okay, that is why in this chapter we will learn what that is health and disease. Okay, now this, please listen, please watch this portions, okay, carefully, okay, and don't, okay, jump the portions, okay, you nicely watch, okay. uh, if you jump the portion, then you can miss some of the important terms, okay. And please try to copy down this first page. Right, done. Okay, next we are going to study about the health. Okay, what is meant by health? What is meant by health? The most important part, what is meant by health? Okay, now health is described as the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Right, that means health. What is meant by health? In English or in biology, we always say the health. The health means what? Good health. What is meant by good health? The good health is a state of the body, right? A state of the body that completely physical, mentally, and socially well-being. What is meant by physical, mental, and social well-being? Now, this physical, social, mental, and social, that nothing, that means a person's which can feel this what good physical, that is free from any diseases, okay. Mental, positive thinkings, positive thinkings, okay, and positive outlooks about the social and the mentally, okay. And he or she doesn't have any pressures, okay, any pressures about any difficulties, okay. And this state of the body is known as the health. Okay, the health is the state of the body that complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Okay, now thus healthy means that one feels good physically, has a positive outlook, and is able to cope with the social and mental pressure without much difficulties. Means he or she can easily cope up without any difficulties about the social and mentally difficulties, okay. And he or she can think this one positively. Positive thinking is the most important, okay, understanding. And this physically well-being, mentally well-being, and socially well-being, this state of the health is, this state of the person's, okay, is known as the good health or health. Being healthy is far more better than just being a free from disease. Healthy is complete of physical, mental, and social, right? But the disease free is only the good, this or only the this what a person which is free from any disease, means does not suffering any disease, is known as the what? Disease free. But the healthy is known as this three, that is physically, mentally, and socially, right? For maintaining the healthy life cycle, a person needs to have, for maintaining the healthy life cycle, for maintaining good health, that means for maintaining good health, what are the things we need to do, okay. For maintaining good health, what are the things we need to do, okay. The things are, number one, a balanced and varied diet, okay. You need to keep a balanced diet, okay. That is one of the most important, okay, things we need to maintain a good health or healthy. Next, have need to exercise, means every person needs to exercise, okay. Without exercise, we are not considered, we are not able to maintain the healthy, okay. Next, live regularly in a proper shelter, and get enough sleep. Means we need to have the proper habits of the sleep. Okay, we need to sleep, okay, properly. Okay, that means we need to get enough sleep. Nowadays, due to this what electronic gadgets like mobile phone, okay, we always depend on the mobile phone during this what till night. Also, we are always busy in the social network, right? And this what in the early morning also we always busy in the social network. What messages are coming, what are the posts are there in the social networks, right? Because of that, our this what sleeping habit is totally flop. Okay, because of that, nowadays our body is not considered to be a healthy, right? That is why because of that we are suffering from a lot of the diseases, right? Next, maintaining the proper hygiene. Now this is the one of the most important. Maintaining proper hygiene, we need to take part, okay, every day, right? Some of the person they did not take part, okay, regularly, okay, and we need to this what wearing the clean clothes. I mean the clean clothes, not the costly clothes, clean clothes, okay. We need to cut our nails, our hairs, okay, and these are some of the things we need to maintain our proper hygiene, okay. And we need to have the good food, good and clean food, okay. we I mean that good and this what health, this what clean food, not KFC, okay, not this what Domino's pizza. That good and clean food is needed, okay. This KFC, they are all considered to be as a junk food, okay. They are not giving a proper healthy, okay. Now we need the proper this one, maintaining the proper hygiene. After that only we will get this, we will can maintain the proper this what healthy life cycle, okay. Student, please copy down this page also. Then okay, next. Now I'm giving these differences between the healthy and the disease free, okay. Healthy and the disease free. Now divided into these two part, okay. Now look here, this is the healthy part, this is the disease free part, okay. This is the first point, this is the second point, okay. This is the second point. Now look here, healthy, it is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. I already give the definition, right? Now in here this means it is a state of absence from disease. Means a person who is free from the disease is considered to be known as the disease free, right? Next, it is referred to the individual, that is the person who has this what physical and social environment, but it is referred to only the individual. But in here we are mentioning to the individual, physical and social. In here we are mentioning to only for the individuals, we only for a person who is not okay suffering from any disease. But in here we are mentioning individual, physical and the social environment. Now next, the individual has the good health. In here, in the healthy, that is always good health, but the individual may be good health or poor health, but he or she should be free from disease, okay. Now this is the 3 points of difference between the healthy and the disease free, okay. Now the next important point, okay, the condition essential for the good health. What are the conditions required for maintaining the good health, okay. Number one, step to ensure the sanitation, okay. The sanitation is most important, okay. We need to ensure the good sanitation, okay, good sanitation habits, okay. Now next is the availability of clean drinking water, okay. We need to drink the clean drink this water, okay. Clean drinking water, that it mentioned that is free from the disease, right, and free from the any kinds of the poisonous substances. And in this clean water is surely contain what, good amounts of the minerals, okay, that are important minerals, right. Next, availability of adequate nutritious food, that is we need a balanced diet, okay. We need to have the good and adequate food. The last is the social equality and harmony. We need to maintain the social and the harmony. That is, we need to get the social equality and the harmony, means we need to good for, or strong in the mental and the socially well-being. Okay, these are the four what conditions, okay, essential for the good health. Please copy down this page also. Okay, dear students, don't forget to copy down the pages. Okay, now today I will complete for today's session. Okay, after this I will give the some of the important questions. Okay, please do these questions. Okay, after watching this video. Okay, done. Yes, these are some of the important questions. Okay, please do this question after watching this video. Okay, don't forget. Okay, now define health. Okay, write the 3 points of differences between health and disease-free. State any 2 conditions essential for good health, and state any 2 conditions essential for being free from disease. Okay, I'm giving these 4 questions. Okay, related to the today's topic. Okay, please try to complete. Try to do this. Do these questions. Okay. If you have any doubt or any confusion, just send one message to the WhatsApp group. I will clear your doubts. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.